Alright, here we are. This is the house all finished with the decorations. The tenant moves in, Melissa Wilson moves in 2 days. And everything is looking great. So here's the kitchen area. We have opened up all the drawers and so on. Obviously there's tiny bits of wear and tear, etc. But I emphasise the word tiny, just the odd nick, etc. In the kitchen. So, but apart from that, oh yes, and they identified some wear on the top of the cupboard here, and there's sort of a hot pot, sort of a mark there on the inside of this. Apart from that, everyone's happy with it all. All these various plugs and they're all good, they're working. New extractor fan which we put in. We put in all new floor coverings, so the vinyls and the carpets within underlay. All brand new drapes, brand new heat pump, brand new paint job for the whole place. You can see batteries are working. You might be able to see the power size there. This is cooling 7.0, heating 8.0 kilowatts. All the light bulbs are here. Oops, not quite tall enough. Oh, got it. Okay, you heard a beep, so those are working. The fridge will go here. There's power, light switch for the kitchen. Just while we're finishing, so we put in these 2 new doors here with their special hinges. And door stops behind every door. That one's got a different one because otherwise it might hit the pelmet there. Alright, beautiful. Lots of light, lots of windows, lots of curtains, carpet. There's the odd home line telephone switch there. Aerial there or aerial there for the TV. Power plugs. Yep, I think that's all there is to show in this room. Is there any more power plugs here? Yeah, there's another double power plug behind that curtain as well. Alright, moving on. Light switch for the lounge and the dining room here. That's a sensor light for outside. Double plug. Newly painted door. Didn't used to be that colour. Light switches everywhere. Generally a lot of them are new. Some of them are older in okay condition. That is the only part that didn't get painted. I ended up having to paint this myself. But anyway, there we go. Sensor light for outside. Washing machine, double plug. Could have washer and dryer here, of course. Tub, it's looking alright. Hot water cylinder. There's some details for you. It's just been turned on. You can hear it percolating away, heating up, so that's good. There's the little covered entranceway there, and the steps, little deck for the going out to the clothesline. Right, going down the hallway. Again, another smoke alarm there. Light bulb. Okay, there's a brand new toilet seat. The rest of it's existing. Alright, everything looks fine. Light bulb, door stop, window looks, yeah, that's okay. Again, just pointing out the different features. As we go along, there's the manhole to go into the ceiling. There is a lot of insulation up there. I just went up there. There's I measured some at 28 centimeters thick. There's insul fluff, and then there's ping bits, and there's this white stuff. It was just the white stuff I measured at 28 centimeters. So we got a splashback here we put in. We got the double mirror, which I like. You can see your whole self. Again, we put in this sheet of Ceratone here. It's really expensive stuff. This is all brand new for the shower. New shower rail and curtain. Oh yeah, big light here. Extraction fan, another light above yourself when you're standing at the and they all work off the one switch. Right, another hall light. I think there are 2 hall lights, one at each end. Right, southwest bedroom, new curtains, new plugs, new curtains. I guess that's the only set of plugs, light switch. This one I want to take note of. So this board has redundant, same on the other side. Builder said it would make a heck of a mess if we took it off, so I left it there. The one above it, this is an old thing. Again, at the moment it's not doing anything except holding that up. That's existing. And oops, and the same over here, just that ugly cut into the wood. Right, next bedroom, same thing, light switch, double power switch, new curtains, doorstop, wardrobe. And again, the bar and the wardrobe, and nothing else here to show. It's all beautifully new or freshly painted. Again, no problems behind here. That ceiling, which is all busted and broken, is all brand new now. Looking great. Same with the doors. No holes here now. Right, last bedroom, north bedroom. Okay, we've got a light. We've got a TV aerial thing sticking up through the floor. Double plug. New curtains, wardrobe, bar in the wardrobe, and nothing else to see here. Okay, that's the whole tour, or the inside tour. I'll do a separate recording for the outside. Okay.